Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 30. It says Oliver works at a bookstore. He packed 20 identical paperbacks and 9 identical textbooks in a box. The total mass of the books was 22.2 pounds. After he put 2 more textbooks and 3 more paperbacks in the box, the total mass of the books was 26.83 pounds. Write a system of equations to determine P, the mass in pounds of 1 paperback, and T, the mass in pounds of 1 textbook. Okay, so we start with 20 paperbacks. Your paperbacks are P. And we start with 9 textbooks. 9 textbooks is T. And if you take your 20 paperbacks plus your 9 textbooks, the total mass for that will be 22.2 pounds. After he put 2 more textbooks in the box. Okay, so hold on, let me just see. Paperbacks and textbooks. He started there was 20 paperbacks, 9 textbooks, and then he put 2 more textbooks in the box. Okay, so now instead of 9, he has 11 textbooks and 3 more paperbacks in the box. And so now instead of 20, he has 23 paperbacks in the box. Okay. And the total mass then is 26.83 pounds. So now if you have 23 paperbacks plus now we have 11 textbooks. I'm going to make my T's try to look a little different than my plus signs. Now the total will be 26.83 pounds. We don't really need the word pounds here. Alrighty, Rue. Now they want us to solve. So we've written the system and now we're going to solve the system. We're going to find out how much each paperback weighs and how much each textbook weighs. All right. So we have to take our 20P plus 9T equals 22.2. Then we have 23P plus 11T equals 26.83. I've got to get one variable to eliminate. I'm going to use addition elimination. Which means I got to get one of my variables to eliminate. I'm going to eliminate the T, the textbooks. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply my first equation by 11 and my second equation by -9. That will allow my coefficients on the textbooks to match and be opposite signs. So if I distribute 11 through that first set, through that first equation then becomes 20 times 11. These aren't pretty numbers, but it is what it is. So that's 220p, 11 times 9 plus 99t equals 22.2 times 11, 244.2. 244.2. All right, sounds good. Now here, if I multiply -9 through the second equation, let's see, -9 times 23 is -207. This would give me a -99t, and over here I would have a negative because a negative times a positive. So -9 times 26.83 is a -241.47. And now if I do addition elimination, I'm going to add the 2 equations together. Bye-bye, my plus 99t, my minus 99t are gone. So now we do 220 minus 207. We come up with 13p. 13p equals, and on this side we'll do 244.2 minus 241.47. And we get 2.73. These are pounds. Let's divide both sides by 13. So this is going to give you the weight of just one paperback. Paperbacks are pretty light, I would guess. This should be a nice small number. So 0.21 pounds. So each paperback weighs less than a pound. It's about a quarter pound. Now that we know each paperback weighs less than a pound, we can take either one of our original equations and find out T. So I'm going to take off to the side, I'll do 20p plus 9t equals 22.2. And I just found out that p equals 0.21 pounds. So that tells me I could do 20 times 0.21 plus 9t and get 22.2. So 20 times 0.21, what's a quarter of 20? Okay, 4.2. So that's 4.2 plus 9t equals 22.2. Get all my constants together, so I'm going to subtract 4.2 on each side. And I have 9t equal, sorry about that. Well, there you go. How do I make this end? Oh, come on. Let's see. What if I do escape? Okay. 9t equals, it's because I'm down at the bottom of my screen. I'm so mad at myself right now. Oh, well, 22.2 minus 4.2. Oh, that's 18. So 9t equals 18. Divide both sides by 9. If I have 9t equals 18, divide both sides by 9. T is equal to 18 divided by 9 is 2. Each textbook, oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Each textbook is 2 pounds. Woo! There you have it. Each textbook will be 2 pounds. Those are some pretty massive, heavy textbooks. And each paperback doesn't weigh much. Each of those is just 0.21 pounds. All right, I hope that helps.